Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all after long Diwali vacations in your EVS class. I hope you have enjoyed your vacations. Today, we are going to start new chapter in EVS. Lesson number 13, Indian Rulers. Children, Indian rulers means Indian kings, Maharajas. So let's start. The great Indian rulers. India is a land of great rulers who were very graceful and powerful heads of their time. Means they were very powerful. These rulers shaped the history of India. These rulers left their imprints in the history of winning battles, making great monuments, writing scriptures, and doing developmental work for the people. Means in that time they have done very nice work and very helpful work for the people. Imprint means some mark. And what is meant by scriptures? Scriptures is the religious text of a given religion, means the religious text of any religion. Scriptures is the sacred writing of a religion. Now let us read about some great rulers of Indian history. So what we are going to see today? Maharana Pratap, Tipu Sultan, Chhatrapati Shivaji and Akbar. Today we are going to study these some famous rulers. Maharana Pratap. Maharana Pratap was a Hindu Rajput ruler of Mewar, and Mewar is a place in state of Rajasthan. He was one of the bravest kings in the Indian history who kept fighting with the Mughals throughout his life. Means he was a very bravest king, and he kept fighting. Means he has done his life in fighting only with the Mughals. Next, Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan, also known as the Tiger of Mysore, was the ruler of Indian kingdom of Mysore. He was the ruler of Mysore. He was a scholar, a warrior and a poet. He was a warrior, but he was also one of the good poet. He introduced several new laws like the land revenue system. Now, what is land revenue system? Land revenue system means land revenue is a tax on agriculture for the protection on land. He laid down his life fighting the British for Mysore's independence. What he has done? He spent his whole life for the independence of Mysore. He started the growth of silk industry in Mysore. He also started the silk industry in the Mysore. Next, Chhatrapati Shivaji. Shivaji Bhosle was a warrior king and a member of the Bhosle Maratha clan. He was a progressive and sensible ruler in the history of our country. Progressive means he was always progressive. Progressive means he was always doing progress, means he was always developing. He respected all religions. He thought that all religions are equal. Shivaji knew the importance of good army and war strategies. Now, what is meant by strategies? Strategies means a planned series of action for achieving something. He had an intelligence unit that helped him advise the tactics like guerrilla warfare. Now, what is meant by tactics? Tactics means an action action or strategy carefully planned to achieve a specific end. Now, and guerrilla warfare is one of the war tactic. This is all about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Next, Akbar. Akbar, son of Humayun, was the greatest ruler of Mughal dynasty. He gradually expanded the Mughal empire and ruled over most of Indian subcontinent. He was a brilliant and efficient ruler. He was very brilliant and efficient ruler. He was fond of literature. Literature means works of poetry and prose that are especially well written. And architecture means a art or a practice of designing and constructing building. During his rule, the Mughal empire increased in size and wealth. Akbar was a Muslim. See children, he was a Muslim but he respected all other religions equally. A new religion called Din Ilahi, the religion of God, was created by him. This is all about Akbar. Now let's recall. India has had many great rulers. India has many great rulers who shaped the history of our country. Tipu Sultan was a great scholar, a warrior and a poet. Chhatrapati Shivaji was a progressive and sensible ruler who was liberal and tolerant. He respected women equally. Akbar the Great started a new religion called Din Ilahi, which merged the best elements of all religion. Now next part of the lesson we will see in the next video. Thank you.